So if you have the red flashing light, this is the main unit. You can see the M there. Get in there. There's the M. Then come over to this other unit. This is only if you have two. This is your secondary unit. You get in there. See where that says S2, that's supposed to say S1, and that's the problem. So we'll come back over to the one that's flashing red, and you're gonna press and hold the M and the back arrow at the same time. That's gonna pull up a menu. You're gonna scroll down to Cascade Status and Settings. Press OK. And then we're gonna go down to Cascade Removal. Press OK. And it says Cascade System Removal. We're gonna put yes. Okay, now that's going to remove the communication from the secondary unit. That got rid of our red light and our error code. Then we are going to go to Cascade System and Settings again. And we're gonna, it says start, we're gonna press OK. And we're gonna go back over to the secondary unit. Press OK and hold it for 3 seconds. Then we're gonna come back to the main unit and press OK. And that's gonna put our main, our M back up there. And now that says S1, and that's what it needs to say. And I usually keep the temperature at 130. And when you change the temperature, you only need to change it on the main unit. It will automatically adjust the secondary unit.